What's going on, YouTubers? So we have been fixing up the cabin down here at the ponds, and we're going to make it like a kind of a guest house or whatever you want to call it. And I noticed after we got the floors in that the old wood stove, it's not looking so good. So I'm going to try to clean it up today. I'm going to try this stuff out. Super Clean Foaming. The old cleaner degreaser. We're going to see what it does on a wood stove. Just going to sweep the loose stuff off of it first. I'll put a little cardboard down just to protect the floor. All right, now it's time for some foaming action. Let's see how this goes. Looks like the glass has been replaced in this a long time ago. All right. Just using water and a sponge. This would have worked better if I would have took it outside and then just used the hose on it. I didn't even realize the doors were silver outlined. Oh, you can even see the brand name now. It's a Fisher. Well, I'd say it took it from an eyesore to a conversation piece. How about that? There was, oh, who knows, probably 30 years of soot and grime on the front of that. Well, I think it looks pretty good for a little 10-minute job. So now I need to get off here and get busy and work on some more of this stuff, like trying to figure out that stupid ceiling fan. Well, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and I will catch you later.